How you doing? And thanks for watching. This is George here at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and safety strobe lighting equipment. Much of what you see right here on this little Jeep Wrangler, real nice, clean, white Jeep Wrangler, works in and out of construction and safety sites. So what we featured on the front here is our mini thin LED strobe light. That's a 6 LED, all amber, in a split pattern, alternating flash. You can see how bright they are from backing up just a little bit. Fairly simple package, single switch to turn these on. Now you can see where we've mounted them right to that grill, customer's request, location. We mounted these lights using the included 3M double face adhesive. We only had to drill one small hole for the wiring. You could also mount them behind the grill if you so choose. There you can see how they lined up on the grill. We did something a little different around the back. The customer had a unique idea, asked us if we could lower and tuck away the spare tire a little tighter to the bumper. So we did that. We custom drilled the bracket to drop that smaller tire down and tight. We added TIR3 amber with our 90-degree bracket on each side of the tire, and we added a single LED HAW duo in low dome to a custom bracket above the tire. And what we've got there is a nice 3-outlet strobe right here in the back. Adding that top light, put a little bit more punch to the rear warning. The other unique thing is because we mounted all of this to the tire carrier, when he swings open the carrier, he can broadcast this warning 90 degrees to the vehicle. So if he needed to warn in two different directions, 90 degrees apart, he could use the front warning facing one direction, swing the tire carrier open as we have 90 degrees, and warn the other direction also. Or if you happen to be off on a sideways angle, you could swing this carrier out a little bit and adjust that warning so it does a better job. Back here behind the tire carrier, we kept everything neat and tidy and ran the wiring right down here underneath the truck so you can get full swing out of the tire carrier without any problem. And here you can see how we were able to custom drill the bracket to drop down that tire carrier lower and bring it in tighter. It was, of course, designed to carry a much larger tire, but this Jeep isn't running the big off-roads, so we were able to tuck the smaller tire down and in quite a bit and keep it out of the field of vision in the rear view mirror, as well as closer and tighter to the vehicle. Here in the cabin, as you can see, obviously, we've got a couple of other accessories on this Jeep already. Some other lighting that was done before this install. And we just figured, what a great spot to add that switch that we offer as well. So we just drilled another switch right above that factory, the accessories that were already there. And that top switch is for the emergency lighting. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, trucks, buses, and Jeeps. Make sure to check out all the descriptions in the video for links to every one of these products, and we'll see you on the next video.